Hello, beautiful souls. Today I'm giving you an inside look at Scorebirds, the heart of swimsuit competitions in Angeles City.
We are back at Scorebirds.
From parking to food, I've got you covered with everything you need to know before your next visit.
Alright guys, we are here at Scorebirds, the calm before the storm. Look at this, we got level 1, level 2. We've got all these reserved tables here. And food's that way, the buffet. Alright, so Scorebirds, the general admission is 500 pesos. You got beverages, buffet, a la carte. The buffet's pretty good. I'm gonna give you some inside scoop on that. Look, we have the Christmas tree. Ta-da!
Every third Sunday from 2 to 6 p.m., Scorebirds hosts a monthly swimsuit competition in Angeles. The hotel has limited parking and street parking available. Hotel guests are invited to attend with no cover charge and are encouraged to reserve a VIP seat for the event for free. If you are not a hotel guest, you pay general admission at the door, which is 500 pesos. What do you get with general admission? You receive a bundle of beads. But what are the beads used for?
Ladies and gentlemen, beads is the only criteria for judging of this swimsuit competition. Pick the more beads you get, the better chances of their winning. You can buy some beads from all the girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you from 100 pesos per slice of beads and a 5,000 pesos for the gold bead.
The girls in red shirts are carrying bundles of beads to sell. You can't miss them. The contestant with the most amount of beads wins, and the gold beads are worth more points than the regular beads. Along with one set of regular beads, you also get 500 pesos towards consumable, which can be used either towards the 500 peso buffet or towards a la carte items. Duke's Restaurant serves an all-you-can-eat buffet that opens at 3 p.m. There's usually a line because most people choose the buffet.
Alright, we got salad. This is an entire salad bar. Yummy! Reminds me of a place in LA that serves these kinds of salads. The pineapple was really sweet last time, and so was the watermelon. We're gonna want to try some of that. Oh, they look so cute! Chocolate cakes, assorted tart, macaroon, vanilla cupcake. Ooh, that looks yummy. Cinnamon pudding. Ooh, cinnamon. This is wasabi. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Cilantro lime chicken. Yummy. Yummy. Delicious. This is beef onion stir fry. It just got put out too. Creamy pork curry. What is this? Salted egg yolk fish fillet? Salted egg? What? Pasta. Chicken penne pasta.
If you want to reserve a seat or a table, it is an additional 500 pesos. If you get a table, there is a bell so you can contact your server. Please note, all seating and table reservations will only be held until 3 p.m. Your server can bring you drinks and a la carte food. She keeps your running tap in a cup and updates it every time she delivers your order. I I recommend reserving a table if you want a good place to sit and focus more on the event. The second floor also has tables you can reserve and toss beads from. This is essentially the crowd when the event starts. It's pretty chill with loud music, and there's intervals of dancers and a live band in between. The live band is amazing. They play a variety of good music, they're super talented, and they keep the energy high. That's the scoop on Scorebirds. Remember to check out my next video where the competition heats up. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, stay wonderful.